Hey everyone, Norm here from IMCARS. Welcome back to the YouTube channel and welcome back to our beautiful showroom where we have lots of fun, exciting new arrivals, just like this stunning matte green GTR. But today we are taking delivery of a very fun, very special, very rare track focused car. We've had a couple of them here, but I don't think we've ever had one on our channel. So let's take delivery of it in just a moment here. But quickly, I'm gonna take you outside into another new arrival and we're gonna have a little bit of fun on the lot. And here this is, no, not the new arrival featured in today's video. This is a 2017 BMW M2 that just came in. These are another really fun, really sporty track car. And this car is equipped with the factory BMW titanium exhaust. It sounds absolutely incredible. Now let's go ahead and fire this thing up for you guys. Let's climb on board. Ooh, it's hot in here. So we'll put this into Sport Plus. And down here is an exhaust valve. I don't know if that's open or closed. Sounds closed now. Let's put this thing in gear, pull it onto our lot, and let's see if we can have a little bit of fun with this M2 before our new arrival shows up.
Being on my rhyming is pivotal. Homie, the dash is digital, gas residual, far and small like I'm needing a ritual. You bet my cash is on, I hit the gas, I'm gone, riding my wave. I've been stuck in my zone, I'm gonna blast them all, sliding on faith. I've been finding my ways, grinding for days. I've been shining the hate, all of y'all wanted for praise. Stuck in a phase, let it turn in a blaze. Yeah, homie, you don't wanna race, nah, better to stick to your place. Yeah, want it all, I gotta taste it, push on the pedal, now I'm gonna skate. Yeah, all I ever know, put me on this throne, pinnacle, push my buttons and that motherfucker go. What you know, what you.
So that was just a quick little donuts in our BMW M2, and just a reminder that is on private property, so we're not doing it on public streets or with any vehicles around or anyone around, so no one's at risk, no one's at harm, having a little bit of fun in a safe environment. So there's nothing wrong with having fun. Just a reminder, if you're going to do anything like that, do it somewhere that you're allowed, somewhere that's legal, and somewhere that no one's going to get hurt, no vehicles are at risk, and make it as safe as possible for absolutely everyone. All right, so here it is, 2005 Lotus Elise, and we're gonna climb on board and take this thing for a drive and have a little bit of fun in it. So let's get on board and go. Woo. Super easy to get into. Definitely not for me. Oh yeah. So this is a European spec Lotus, not the Canadian one. So pretty well the same car. Main differences I've noticed is manual crank windows, no airbag in the steering wheel. This placement's a little bit different than in the Canadian spec one. And I don't know if these vents are different than the Canadian one. I think they are. What else is different? It's a lighter car through a few different uses of different material and whatnot. So this car, although it only has about 180 horsepower, weighs 930 kilos, so under 2,000 pounds. So super good power to weight ratio. 5-speed manual. It's a 1.8 liter Toyota engine. So very reliable. You can like absolutely bag on this thing and like never have any issues. No power steering. Don't think there's power brakes, but this thing it's like a go-kart. It's super sick. Other difference that I've just noticed is like the seats are different than the Canadian spec seats. So I don't know if these are factory Euro seats or if these have been replaced. And then this guy put in like an aftermarket seat bracket that raises it up a little bit, but we might even take those out because we're sitting high, aren't we? Especially you're over the roof. But this is by far one of the most fun cars you could buy, especially for the money. Like, what else can you buy that's exotic, unique, for somewhere between 50 and 60 grand, let's say? So cool. You'll never see another one driving, out here at least. This car at like absolute 10 and you'll never worry about getting in trouble. Like, you literally like full on accelerate and then you're at 100 eventually. It's not like some of this newer stuff that's like accelerate and you're doing well over the speed limit. Yeah, you want to get out, we can do one.
Yeah, that'd look cool.
Most people keep the Elise soft top in the back here, so you've got your two anchor points. So you just need to, there are little arrows on them as well. So the arrows are what point forward. So you just pop it in the back, kind of flex it, put it in. Same thing over here. And then, this is the real fun part. This is actually pretty difficult. So, let's open this up. And I believe you're gonna want your door open for this to make it much easier. It should go from the soft top side to the hard top side. I'll just show you guys, there's these two little anchor points and they're released by pressing those in. Yeah, so there is arrows here pointing forward. So you're gonna wanna kinda clip it on top, and maybe if you film from underneath, show a little better. So you've gotta kinda clip it in, move those forward, find where it clips in, and there you go. So you've got that side clipped in, and then you can close your door on that side. So the passenger side's much easier to put on, and then on this side you've got to kind of actually almost like stretch it in place. And same thing, you're going to want to pull these in to release the latches, and then kind of clip it over. Front one's on. And there you have it. So now you've got your soft top installed on your Lotus Elise. All right, so now that you've seen us get the roof on, I'm going to show you how funny and comical it is to get in it now that the roof's on, because you've got this tiny little space with a steering wheel in the way, so you've really got to like contortion yourself in. way harder with the roof on. All right, so we're in the car. So that is us taking delivery of our new Lotus Elise. I'm gonna head home and drive and enjoy this thing for a couple days before we put it up for sale. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.